Have you ever walked into a home that looked expensive, even though it wasn't filled with luxury furniture? The secret usually isn't a bigger budget, it's better decorating decisions. In today's video, we'll uncover the simple decorating mistakes that can unintentionally make a home feel cheap and show you easy, affordable ways to fix them. Whether you love modern farmhouse, cozy cottage, vintage charm, or timeless interiors, these practical tips will help you create a home that feels elegant, welcoming, and thoughtfully designed without spending a fortune. One of the most common decorating mistakes is using furniture that is either too large or too small for the space. An oversized sofa can overwhelm a cozy living room, while tiny furniture pieces can make a large room feel empty and disconnected. Instead of focusing on individual items, think about proportion and balance. Measure your space before shopping, leave enough room for comfortable movement, and allow each piece to breathe. A well-proportioned room instantly feels more luxurious because everything appears intentional rather than squeezed together or scattered randomly. Many homeowners believe placing all furniture against the walls creates a larger room, but it often has the opposite effect. The room can feel flat, cold, and disconnected, leaving an empty void in the center. Instead, try floating your sofa slightly away from the wall, grouping chairs together for conversation, or anchoring the arrangement with a beautiful area rug. Creating cozy furniture groupings adds warmth, encourages interaction, and gives the room a professionally designed appearance that feels far more inviting. Too many unrelated colors can make even beautiful furniture look chaotic. Every room doesn't need to match perfectly, but the colors should feel connected. Choose 2 or 3 primary colors, then repeat them throughout the room using pillows, artwork, curtains, decorative accessories, and textiles. Neutral backgrounds combined with carefully selected accent colors create harmony without becoming boring. This simple approach makes the space feel polished, sophisticated, and much more expensive than constantly introducing random colors that compete for attention. When every shelf, countertop, coffee table, and cabinet is covered with decorations, the room quickly begins to feel cluttered rather than stylish. Expensive-looking homes usually leave breathing room between decorative objects. Instead of displaying everything you own, choose a few meaningful pieces with varying heights, textures, and shapes. Negative space allows beautiful accessories to stand out and gives the entire room a calm, curated feeling. Sometimes removing decorations improves a space more than buying new ones ever could. Furniture stores often encourage complete matching collections, but perfectly matched rooms can sometimes feel more like a showroom than a personal home. Mixing different materials, finishes, and styles creates character and depth. Pair a vintage wooden coffee table with a comfortable modern sofa, or combine classic dining chairs with a farmhouse table. Layering old and new pieces adds personality while making your home feel collected over time rather than purchased all at once. That natural evolution is one of the defining qualities of timeless interior design. A room filled with smooth surfaces can feel surprisingly flat, even if every item is expensive. Texture is what gives a home warmth and visual richness. Introduce woven baskets, linen curtains, chunky knit throws, natural wood furniture, ceramic vases, cotton cushions, and vintage-inspired fabrics. Combining different textures creates depth without adding clutter. Even a neutral room becomes visually interesting when rough, soft, smooth, and organic materials work together to create a layered and comfortable atmosphere that invites people to relax. Artwork has the ability to elevate an entire room, but incorrect placement can make everything feel awkward. Hanging pictures too close to the ceiling is one of the most frequent decorating mistakes. Instead, aim to place artwork at eye level or align it with nearby furniture such as sofas, consoles, or beds. When creating a gallery wall, keep consistent spacing between frames for a balanced appearance. Properly positioned artwork naturally draws attention, connects the furniture below it, and gives your home the refined look of a professionally designed interior. A rug should bring a room together, not float awkwardly in the middle of the floor. One of the biggest mistakes people make is choosing a rug that is far too small for the furniture arrangement. Tiny rugs visually shrink a space and make the furniture appear disconnected. Instead, select a rug large enough for at least the front legs of your sofa and chairs to rest on it, or even better, allow all major furniture pieces to sit comfortably on the rug. A properly sized rug creates a sense of unity, making the room feel thoughtfully planned, more spacious, and undeniably more elegant. Bare windows or poorly fitted curtains can instantly reduce the overall sophistication of a room. Curtains that are too short or hung directly above the window frame often make ceilings appear lower and windows seem smaller than they really are. To create a luxurious effect, mount curtain rods closer to the ceiling and extend them beyond the window frame. Choose curtains that gently touch the floor or create a slight puddle for a softer appearance. This simple adjustment enhances architectural height, frames outdoor views beautifully, and makes every room feel more refined. Even the most beautifully decorated home can lose its charm when everyday items are left in plain sight. Shoes by the entrance, tangled charging cables, overflowing countertops, and scattered paperwork create visual noise that distracts from your carefully chosen decor. Invest in attractive storage baskets, decorative boxes, multifunctional furniture, and built-in shelving whenever possible. Keeping clutter hidden allows your furniture, artwork, and accessories to become the focal points. A well-organized home naturally feels cleaner, calmer, and significantly more expensive without requiring a major renovation. Home trends can be exciting, but filling an entire room with whatever is currently popular often causes the space to feel outdated within just a few years. Instead of chasing every new trend, build your home around timeless furniture, classic colors, and quality materials. Then introduce trends through smaller, easily replaceable accessories such as cushions, artwork, throws, candles, or seasonal decorations. This balanced approach keeps your home feeling fresh while preserving a timeless foundation that remains beautiful regardless of changing design fashions. Many homes feel incomplete because they lack the warmth that only natural materials can provide. Introducing wood, stone, woven fibers, fresh greenery, or even dried botanical arrangements instantly softens a room and creates a stronger connection to nature. Houseplants not only add beautiful color but also introduce organic shapes that contrast perfectly with straight furniture lines. Whether your style is modern, farmhouse, Scandinavian, or cottage-inspired, natural elements make interiors feel healthier, more inviting, and effortlessly sophisticated without overwhelming the overall design. A perfectly decorated room can still feel lifeless if it doesn't reflect the people who live there. Filling your home entirely with mass-produced accessories often creates a space that looks generic rather than memorable. Instead, display meaningful travel souvenirs, treasured family heirlooms, favorite books, vintage finds, handmade pottery, or artwork that tells your story. Personal touches create emotional warmth and authenticity that cannot be purchased. The most beautiful homes are rarely perfect, they simply feel genuine, lived in, and thoughtfully curated over time. One of the secrets professional interior designers understand is knowing when to stop decorating. Adding more furniture, more accessories, or more colors does not always improve a room. In fact, editing is often the final step that transforms a space from average to exceptional. Walk through your home with fresh eyes and ask whether every piece contributes to the overall design. Remove anything that feels unnecessary, repetitive, or distracting. Creating visual balance through thoughtful restraint allows the remaining elements to shine and gives your home a calm, luxurious atmosphere. Finally, no decorating choice has a greater influence on how your home feels than lighting. Even the most stylish room can appear dull or inexpensive under harsh, uneven, or insufficient light. Instead of relying on a single ceiling fixture, layer your lighting with table lamps, floor lamps, wall sconces, and soft accent lighting to create warmth and dimension. Whenever possible, maximize natural daylight by keeping windows clean and avoiding heavy window coverings that block sunlight. Warm light highlights textures, enhances colors, and creates an inviting ambience that makes every decorating decision look more intentional. Remember, an expensive-looking home isn't defined by how much money you spend, it's defined by the thoughtful details, balanced styling, and beautiful light that make every space feel welcoming, timeless, and uniquely yours.